Hi, I'm Priyadashini. Today I'm going to make ragi cake with our Navajinio. Come, let's get started. So for ragi cake, first we have to mix certain ingredients. So I have taken 150 grams of butter in our mixer bowl, 150 grams of sugar powder. Mix this well. Now add in 3 eggs. Now add vanilla essence. So now all the wet ingredients we have mixed well. Before adding our dry ingredient, we'll preheat our pot. Today I'm using 24 high. Switch on the Navajinio at level 6. Set the audio thumb, the roasting window. So once it has reached the roasting window, we'll see the next step. So you can see I've connected my phone as well. By the time it is preheating, we'll mix the rest of the ingredients. Now add 150 grams of ragi flour, baking powder. Now mix this well. Now add 100 ml of milk. Now the cake batter is ready. You can see our pot is preheated now. We'll switch off the Navajinio. Switch off the audio thumb. Place the lid inverted. Place the pot on top of it. I have cut butter sheet the size of the spot. Now pour in the batter. So now place the Navajinio on top of the pot. Switch on the audio thumb, the baking window. Switch on the Navajinio at level 1. And set the time for about 3 minutes. Now you can see I've connected my phone as well. So we'll see after 3 minutes. Now you can see the baking is done. So I'm going to switch off the Navajinio, switch off the audio thumb. Now we have to set the audio thumb into the residual heat. So we'll keep for about 8 minutes. So now you can see the residual heat is completed. So I'm switching off the audio thumb. Our ragi cake is ready.